Hi everyone, thanks for clicking on the video. Today I would like to introduce the impulse control game. This game is for children ages 8 to 14 and can be played with 2 to 6 players. This game was designed to help children learn specific skills to better manage their impulses, make good decisions, and avoid problematic behavior. This game can be used with children with ADD, ADHD, or other impulse control problems. This game is great for teachers, counselors, social workers, and other mental health professionals. The board game consists of 2 decks of cards. These decks encourage the players to think about consequences to their actions, generate solutions to problems, examine rewards, learn how to read social cues, and practice delayed gratification and stopping an activity. I have provided here with a range of card examples. To play the game, each player takes a turn rolling the die and moving their card to the appropriate square. If they land on a green square, they're going to answer a green card. If they land on a blue square, they're going to answer a blue card. And if they land on any of the traffic signs, they're going to follow the directions on the traffic sign card. Once the player answers the questions or follows the directions, the player then rolls the special die to decide how many points they're going to receive. Points are obtained in a paper format. There are 2 ways to win the game. One winner is the first player to get to the finish, and the other winner is the player who has the most points at the end of the game. In my experience, this game was easy to introduce to children as the directions were easy to explain and follow, and the materials were very fun and colorful. The point system seemed to be the favorite as it was like handling Monopoly money. The card questions and statements were very relevant for the age range and were easy to moderate for the children to respond to. There are lots of cards in this deck, so you can easily play this game more than once. There are also some blank cards so you can add in your own questions and statements. The game board itself had mixed responses, one being very attractive and interesting, and the other being a bit overwhelming due to the excessive illustrations. Lastly, the manual provides some great follow-up discussion questions, which I thought were really helpful to reflect on their experience of the game as well as wrap up the session. Thanks again for clicking on this video. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like and subscribe button for quick access to more videos.